Hello everyone, my name is Varun and I'm the founder and CEO at Hammer Missions. And in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about 4D drone data. So what is 4D drone data? I think a lot of people have heard about 3D drone data or 3D models that can be made with drones. But I think we have come to a certain point in the industry where we're actually moving beyond 3D models. We are actually going into 4D models. But what is 4D? So essentially 4D is very much following what we find in the world we live in. Essentially, we know that the world is not just 3D, it's 4D, and it's 4D because it's got the fourth component of time. Things happen in a certain place and they also happen at a certain time. And time just basically keeps going on as a dimension, whereas a place is a 3D spatial dimension. So essentially the same concept is something that we're now seeing in the drone industry, where people are not just creating one 3D model of one site, they're creating many 3D models over time of the same site, and therefore giving you a 4D representation of the same site and giving you a better understanding of how that site is changing. If it's a construction site, you're able to track progress and understand how things are going, whether things are on schedule or not, whether things are getting better or worse. You can track changes, which is the power of 4D models. If it's something to do with an already built structure, for example, a facade or a cell tower, you're able to understand what the defects or the anomalies on these structures or assets look like, and you're able to track changes in them so that you're able to understand how long before something gets too bad and an action needs to be taken, whether it's repair, maintenance, and so on. So it's really interesting that we have reached this point in our industry where it's no longer just about creating one copy of the site, it's about creating that 4D digital twin where this data is ongoingly maintained in the cloud, and essentially the bridge between a physical representation of the asset or the site and the digital representation of it are actually converging, and we're able to actually do a lot more in the virtual space and ensure that we're able to track changes, we're able to monitor things more closely and ultimately make data-driven decisions. So just wanted to share this concept. If someone hasn't come across 4D models before or hasn't done 4D models, we also have an article on it, which I'm going to link in the description below. And we've also recently introduced a new mode in Hammer Missions where you're able to not just collect 3D models of a site, but you're able to link those 3D models into a 4D picture, and you're able to compare, contrast, slice and dice the data and understand how your site or asset is changing. That's the power of drone data in 2023, and I'm excited to see what comes in the years to come. If you have had experience with 4D drone data in your own way, please do leave us a comment in the comment section. It'll be great to share it with everybody in the community. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, do give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you in the next video of Knowledge Hub.